So you're on Beach Ave in Cape May, and you're hanging out on the beach all day and in the mood to get something to eat. So right on Beach Ave is a Greek diner, and it's supposed to have good food. I've been there before, and this is George's place. We're gonna go in and check it out. Right there. All right, I end up getting the chicken gyro. Comes with French fries. Look at the hand cut too. Small Greek with a Greek salad. I'm doing all right. Never fails, never fails. So I ended up getting the chicken gyro, which is marinated in like lemon and oregano. Comes with lettuce and tomato and tzatziki sauce. Chicken is nicely marinated. Greek salad has romaine lettuce, looks like some mesclun mix, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, It was a good day for it because it's kind of hot out there. They're only made a mess. They're only open for breakfast and lunch too. So if you're ever in Cape May, head to the corner of Perry Street and Beach Ave. Stop in the George. Nice little diner. Breakfast, lunch. So much to choose from. Until next time, guys, that's my second take. We'll see you guys next time.